Hi, hello everyone, see you again with me here, Asrul, creator of 2G Brother channel, is mean 2G Brother channels. And in this video, I will explain about the YouTube channel that have been dismonetized and try to make sure our YouTube channel that dismonetized can be back to normal like before. And YouTube can give us monetized allowance again to give us a chance to earn revenues from our videos like before. And maybe everyone out there have the same problem issue like me right now. Please don't panic. So let's get started. And for my problem itself, so at September 21 at 9 o'clock, I have a certain moment that my YouTube channel is monetized, my video is monetized, and now I will show you an inbox message from YouTube. And let me see that email, and here it is. You can see this is my YouTube channel 2G Bersaudara. Just like what you see, this is my channel, and you may be asking why is my YouTube channel name is 2G like that. Actually, from TWONG letters, it should be 2G, 2 space G should be separated by a space, but my bad, I forgot to keep space in my name. Here it is. Now we can see about the reason why our YouTube channel has been dismonetized. Maybe our YouTube channel were not because of something, and then we should check it all. And I have checked all that for my account, but there is no one question word to my account. I'm a little bit confused right now. You can see to your YouTube account too to check the problem issues to your YouTube Creator Studio. So we should check the filter part of YouTube Studio. We should check about copyright claim to make sure we are free from that problem. If we don't have any copyright claim problem, we can continue our effort to tell YouTube team about it. And here, all of this video, all originally videos that I upload now, we click the dollars icon from my YouTube Studio. All of my videos I uploaded by my Android phone, and I recorded this. I always use to recording the video with EZ screen recorder. Then I enter editing path using KineMaster Premium to editing all of my videos, like shown in this screen that in this video that I upload now. And you all can download these apps from Google Play Store. Next, for the thumbnail for my YouTube channel, I edit all of my thumbnails always using Pixel Lab that download from Google Play Store too. After that, or the next step, I upload my videos with my mobile data using this Oppo Android phone, and you can see that this channel is owned by me, not the other people YouTube channel. Yeah, it is clearly my YouTube channel. And now for the problem itself, I checked to my videos. My latest video has been affected by this monetization, and for the video, the latest video that I upload, I using the Oppo Android phone to record that and then send it or move that to my Oppo Android phone because of something technically something happened to my Android phone. But I think that this is the problem that caused my account dismonetized. Lately, I always upload short video on my YouTube channel, and I upload my video that informed all about application things, tips and tricks, and with the video of viral that hit 41k views for that video. After check that all video and waiting for notification from YouTube. And for the last, thanks for YouTube team. I'm really happy and so pleased that I work and join to this YouTube platform as a creator here. A lot some happy, fun, and magical moment happened here since I joined this awesome platform. And we hope for the best for everything now during this pandemic era. Thanks for your time. Kindest regards from me, Asrul from 2G Bersaudara channel. Greeting from Indonesia for YouTube family.